Hi, today is our 19th day of school. How's that possible? Time just is flying by. And since it is another day, we're adding to our party that has been cut up into 100 days. We're adding 1/100th for today. And since yesterday was 18 hundredths, 1/100th plus 18 hundredths is 19 hundredths. Start getting into the habit of understanding that if the denominators are the same, then you can just add the numerators. In other words, if the whole has been cut up into the same amount of pieces, if I have two pizzas and they're both cut up into the same size slices, I can say, oh, we all ate, 1/3 of the piece of pie, and it would equal the same amount. If it doesn't make sense, don't worry. We'll continue going through it, and just by exposure, you will become more familiar with it. But I do want you to start getting to the point where this is familiar to you. That when you're writing something that's been cut up into 100ths, you can write it three different ways. We can write it like we've seen up here. We can write it as a percent, like we did on our 12th day of school, because our party was cut up into 100, so we had 12 days out of the 100. We could write it as a decimal point, like on our 15th day of school, we had 15 hundredths. Or like a percent, 16% of the school of our party has been accomplished. So today is 19, and I think today I'm going to do 19%, because per means out of, and cent means 100. So we have 19%.